Following the heavy overnight bombing by Israel in the Gaza Strip, which has killed 29 Palestinians, mainly women and children, reports just in say 3 rockets have hit the southern Israeli town of Ashkelon. As the attacks escalate, the UN Secretary-General Ban Ki-moon is on his way to the region to personally appeal for an end to the violence. He is expected to meet the Egyptian President Mohamed Morsi before visiting both Israel and Gaza. It is understood 120 sites have now been hit, including militant-owned buildings, weapons storage facilities and police stations, as Israel announced they are targeting the homes and locations of Hamas militants. International support of Israel is likely to fall short, however, after the Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu warned he is ready to expand Israel's Operation Pillar of Defense. Here, Israeli tanks and soldiers can be seen parked just a few kilometres from Gaza City. Netanyahu also said 75,000 army reservists have been authorised and mobilised, suggesting a ground invasion could be imminent. I'm Anne Salter, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the very latest news and updates with me on the Israel-Hamas conflict at ibtimes.co.uk.